Good morning, my dear students. Today we will study about cleanliness and hygiene. So from the name itself you can understand cleanliness. Cleanliness means how you can keep yourself clean and your surrounding clean. Alright. And hygiene means what? Hygiene is related to health. Hygiene is related to health. Okay, that means how by keeping yourself and your surrounding clean, you can keep yourself healthy. That is your hygiene. So in this chapter, what we will learn? We will know about good food habits. That means what are the food habits, good food habits required to keep yourself healthy. Okay, that means how we can keep ourselves hygienic, healthy. So, by good food habits. So, what are the good food habits? Good food habits are we must wash our hands. You all know also before and after eating or after having meal, we must wash our hands. Alright, next is we should not eat uncovered food. That means those vendors who sells the food items outside, roadside. Those food items are uncovered. We should not eat those uncovered food. Okay, as it may have germs in it. Next, we should eat only fresh and clean food. That means the food which is fresh, not the food which is already spoiled. Okay, so fresh and clean food we should eat. We should not eat stale food. Stale means which is already spoiled. Those type of food we should not eat. Then we should not eat food from roadside vendors. Just now I said no, because roadside vendors, they do not keep the food covered. That is why we should not eat those food from the roadside vendors, because this food collects what? Dirt, because they are selling the food on the roadside. So those food collect the dust and flies, because they are uncovered. They carry germs that can make us sick. We fall sick if we eat those uncovered food. So these are the good food habits. Alright. Next, we must eat food in clean plates. That means the food which we are eating, it should be kept in clean plates. We must chew our food well and eat slowly, not hurriedly. Okay, chew the food properly so that it becomes digestible, and eat slowly. Then we should not talk while eating. Some of us have the habit of talking when we eat. No, that is not good food habit. Okay, when you are eating, you should not talk. Then we should eat meals at regular intervals. Not morning so late I will eat at 11 o'clock in the morning, I will eat whole morning, I will do fast. No, we should eat at least minimum 4 times we should eat at a particular intervals. Okay, like after 4 hours, 3 hours, not like that. Okay, so at regular interval. Then we should drink a lot of water every day. That means very less water we should not drink. Okay, lot of water we should drink every day. Clear? That those are the good food habits. Next comes hygiene. What is hygiene? Already I said that health and hygiene is closely related to each other. Health and hygiene. How? The word hygiene means what? It includes cleanliness of the body. That means your body and the surrounding. That means surrounding yourself. That means your neighborhoods. Okay, in which we live. Next, personal hygiene. Personal hygiene means what? That means keep yourself clean. That is called personal hygiene. Encompasses all the daily routines that help keep our body clean. So to keep our body clean, that is called your personal hygiene. Okay, it helps in preventing diseases. So if you keep yourself healthy, then you can be away from diseases. So for maintaining personal health, hygiene and good health, what we have to do? What are the instructions we should follow? So let us see all those. So personal hygiene, that means how we can keep ourselves clean. So first is, we should brush our teeth at least twice a day. You know also, no? Before going to bed at night, you should brush your teeth once in the morning and once before going to the bed at night. Then brushing removes the food particle stuck between the teeth, which cause germs to attack the teeth. Okay, that means if we brush our teeth, what will happen? Those food particles which are stuck in our teeth, they can be removed. Otherwise, if we do not brush our teeth, what will happen? Those cause germs to attack our teeth. Then there will be tooth decay. Yes or no? Next, we should wash our eyes regularly with cold water. Because you know, eyes are very sensitive, no, and those are very important body organ. Yes or no? It's a very important sense organ. So we should wash our eyes regularly with cold water. Eyes are very important for us. You know that without eye, we see with our eye. Yes or no? So this beautiful world through which we see through our eyes. So they are very important for us. So we should take proper care of our eyes. Yes or no? Next, third is we should wash our hands thoroughly. Because with hands we are eating. No? So if we do not wash our hands properly, what will happen? When we eat, those germs will go into our body. Yes or no? So we should wash our hands thoroughly with what? With soap and water. When? After urination, after using toilet, after handling pets. That means if you have pets at your house, okay, and after touching any foreign objects, that means any outside objects if we touch. Then after that we should wash our hands thoroughly with soap and water. Fourth, we should take a bath daily. Yes or no? What happens? Why do we take bath? So that we become clean, we become fresh. No dirts, no dust remain in our body. Yes or no? In our skin. So we should clean our body with soap and water. Why? To remove dust, dead cells and germs on the body. Then not only to take bath, with that we should wear clean clothes. Yes or no? After bath, because already we have washed our body, cleaned our body, and after that if we wear the dirty clothes, what will happen? Once again those dirts will come in contact in our skin. Yes or no? So we should wear clean clothes after the bath. Alright, next we should trim our nails regularly. That means cut our nails regularly, as long nails are breeding ground of germs. Because you see, if we grow our nails, what will happen? Germs will go into our nails, and when we will eat, what will happen? Those germs will go inside our body. Yes or no? So we should trim our nails regularly. Then number 6, we should wash our hair regularly. No? And comb them properly. Next, we should not clean our ears with a stick. Some have the habit of cleaning ears with stick. No, we should not clean our ears with stick. Why? Because our ear has a self-cleaning system. Ear itself can clean the system. hearing system. Okay, so we do not need to use the stick. Never put any sharp object in the ear. Okay, because you know inside ear we have the eardrum that is very thin. So if we poke that eardrum, what will happen? It may break. No? So never put any sharp objects in the ear. Then we should keep all the food items, whether cooked or uncooked, covered. Okay, never keep the food uncovered. Always we should keep our food items covered. And drink clean water, because you know no, that if we do not drink the clean water, what happens? Many waterborne diseases are caused. Yes or no? You see, during rainy season, what happens? Because the water becomes dirty, that time many waterborne diseases are caused. No? So contaminated water, that means the water which is full of germs, okay, contaminated water or food may cause many diseases. You just think about these diseases like typhoid, cholera, jaundice. When these diseases are caused during the rainy season. Yes or no? So those contaminated water we should not drink. We should drink the clean water. Alright. Next comes we should always wear clean clothes. No? Clean clothes we should always wear every day. Why? Because dirty clothes can cause skin disease. Dirty clothes can cause skin disease. Okay, because clothes are in contact with our skin. So if we wear dirty clothes, so what will happen? They cause skin diseases. Okay, next we should also wash the clothes daily. Because if we do not wash the clothes, what will happen? They will carry the germs. Alright.